Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu, hoping you're having a great day. Hey, we're on our way to check out a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home on the lakeside of the highway. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, right here at 1910 Nugget Drive. Great location on the lakeside of the highway. Great lake view from the street. Right down the street to Windsor launch ramp. Very popular little area. Nice houses all around. There's no real riffraff. So this one sits on a nice lot, just over a 1/4 acre. Nice paver drive, nice landscaping, little circular drive. All right, guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 1996, 2,174 square feet. Nice open living area, split floor plan. It's got nice vaulted ceilings, 8-foot interior doors. So you have the kitchen at the front of the house over here. Has a nice fireplace, can lights. So it's got this front kitchen, some backlit cabinets, granite counters, stainless appliances. Has nice custom cabinets with soft touch close. Has the classic Steve Anderson little breakfast nook in the front here. The whole house has window coverings. Nice little eat-at bar here. So you got the master, the garage access, and your laundry on one side of the house. This is the master, nice vaulted ceiling. Has a fireplace, can lights, slider to the backyard pool area, pot shelves. So you got a pretty good sized master bath, solid surface counters, skylight, dual vanities. You have a walk-in shower. Looks like marble. You have a nice walk-in closet. Toilet has its own door. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So you got bedroom number 2, kind of in the middle of the house off the living area, has double doors, vaulted ceilings, pot shelves. So you got bedroom number 3 and a guest bath down this hall on the other side of the house. Your guest bath. You have bedroom number 3 at the rear of the house. Vaulted ceiling, ceiling fan. Pool view. So you got your indoor laundry. Door out to the garage area. All right, so you have a 3-car garage. You have a 21-foot, a 28-foot, and a 44-foot drive-through bay. Has a mini split AC in the garage. Your utility sink, water softener, RO system, water heater. Got your drive-through bay. Lots of extra parking back here. It's all pavered as well. Beautiful little pool area, kind of a Santa Fe feel. Nice little built-in covered patio. Has a ceiling fan and power. Does back to a wash, so it gives you a little room between your neighbors. Got all your pool equipment, propane tank, heat the spa. Flagstone decking. Lots of metal yard art. Nice big covered patio. Got ceiling fans out here. Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great day so far. Hey, so I hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Nugget Drive. This was just listed for $7.99. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the original listing pictures, current price, availability, and all that. Also, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. I'm always here to help. I'll put a direct contact link to my contact information right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.